How to check transaction history on Zengo. Are you guys facing issue to check transaction history on Zengo? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Open your Zengo wallet and unlock it using a Face ID or fingerprint. Once you are inside the home screen, you'll see a list of crypto assets you have added. However, I don't have any crypto assets on my wallet display. If you do have, tap on the crypto whose history you want to check, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Now scroll down, you'll see the transaction history section showing all the recent activity, deposits, withdrawals, swaps, and pending transactions. Tap on any item for full details like the amount, network fee, and transaction ID. Wanna copy the TX ID? Just tap and hold it I will copy it to clipboard. If you don't see transaction right away, give it a few seconds. Zengo sync with the blockchain in real time, so it will appear once confirmed. That's it. Simple, secure, and always at your fingertip. Bye bye.